Hello, my name is Nikki Cottom, and I am so excited to share with you that the Abundance Unplugged Fall 2024 program is officially happening, and it will start on August 1st, 2024. We will meet live on Zoom every Thursday, 2 p.m. Mountain Time, with 1 week that will be the exception, and I will give you more of those details. But we are going to go for 10 weeks and we are going to dive into all the beautiful things about Abundance Unplugged. Are you so excited? I have had people asking me about this, have had questions who want to sign up and participate. And so I just wanted to share with you a little bit about what we are going to be covering here in the Abundance Unplugged community program. So every week you are going to be able to have access to me, and we're going to work as a group, and we're going to be on Zoom. We're going to say hello. We're going to talk about things we have learned or things we have questions about, really making sure that you are able to internalize the lessons, that you're able to really get good at these practices so that you can do them for the rest of your life. And these are going to be powerhouse tools. Each one of these tools that I will share, plus more tools in here. I couldn't list every single one here, but these tools are going to be so powerful, are going to be tools you are going to be able to use for your entire life. They will be hugely beneficial in whatever aspects of life that you are planning to do. So, you will have every week a live Q&A call with me, and we will talk. We can talk. I can give instructions if there's instruction needed. I can listen. I can actually do work with you to help you personally overcome some of these hurdles or questions you have. And so I'm going to be right there with you, and we're going to be able to learn together and have a beautiful time. So that is the first thing. We're also going to have a learning community. So this is going to take place both in the live Q&A calls that I just told you about, as well as there's a Facebook group to be able to post ideas and insights and maybe questions that you have. There's going to be that too. I will also be sending emails out weekly so that you can all be on the same page and know exactly what the assignments and the activities are for each week. All right, you are going to be able to really get good at these skills. Number one, muscle testing. Okay, this is a skill a lot of people come to me for. They're like, can you ask my subconscious this? Can you do this? And I'm saying, yes, I can, but what if I give that tool to you? How powerful is that going to be? So I'm really excited to hand you that tool. It's beautiful. And so that is first and foremost a beautiful gift that I'm going to be sharing with you. And if you already know muscle testing, I'm going to give you some really awesome charts and tools to help you know what questions to ask and problem solve. All right, I'm going to teach you how to release trapped emotions and limiting beliefs and install positive beliefs. All right, so we are going to energetically just completely shift things in your mind to open up the way for abundance. I'm also going to teach you how to connect with God, and if there are things in your life that are out of your control, that or maybe that you don't have time to manage but are important, to not forget that you allow God and your angel team to step in and take those. And so we're going to learn how to do that. I'm really excited for that. Also, how do you connect with your guides, your angels? How do you connect with God? How do you get on the same page with your divine support team? We are going to cover that, and you are going to love that. So that's one of the most exciting things we get to do. A lot of people get really excited for that. That's going to be covered completely in this course. We are also going to talk about abundance planning, how to plan and prioritize to open up your future, to really map things out. We are going to talk about removing blocks to success. We are going to talk about how to decide or discover if something is a good return on investment for your time, your money, your energy, and all of that so that you can maximize your abundance in the way that's best suited for you and what you have in your life to use right now. All right, we're also going to talk about reprogramming your mindset and learning tools to reprogram the mindset to always be thinking in abundance. Then we are going to talk about intuitive writing, or being able to write down messages that come through from God, from your angels, and this is going to be a powerful tool for you to receive guidance. By the end of this program, you're not going to need me anymore. And that's going to be such a beautiful gift. Not that I don't want to help you and love you and talk to you, but because having these tools in your own life is going to open up countless doors I haven't even been able to fathom that my students who have gone through this course have been able to find new opportunities, open new doors in ways that I absolutely never could have imagined. This is a fantastic, powerful course, and I'm so excited that you're coming on board or considering it. Thank you so much. So we are also going to talk about shielding. How do we shield from negativity and still allow positivity in? We're going to learn those skills. I'm also going to give you 33 or more types of abundance that you can use and utilize in your own life to flip your abundance. So double your abundance in this category, double your abundance in this category, leverage this, move it, open it up. It's just going to be a beautiful energy exchange of opening up your abundance, because every single person on this planet has abundance of some things. And we are going to tap into those to find out where your abundance sources are and really maximize the benefits of leveraging those, moving things around, combining the certain ones for an even bigger amount of abundance flow in your life. So we're going to go all through that. There are going to be charts that you can use to refer back, to have in a binder wherever you put those, so that you can go through and you can decide if you need to go back and repeat an activity. You have the worksheet there. If you want to go back and refine a skill set, you have that there. And this course is going to be available to you for life. So anytime you want to go back and repeat a lecture or repeat a lesson, you have the freedom to go ahead and just do that. It's fantastic. So all of those things are going to be 100% available to you. And I want to show you what the website looks like too, because this is really awesome. So we have, here is what the website looks like. This website, let me make it a little bigger. There we go. All right, so this website is nikkicottom.com. This is where the enrollment of Abundance Unplugged is. All right, so this is the community program for fall 2024. This is what it looks like. And as you can see on the right-hand side, this is going to be where you access every single week of content. So when you come in each week, there will be a new module, a new box opened up with the new lectures and activities and assignments for the week to really help you level up. And it's just going to be so exciting. So if you open up this first module, I'm just going to give you a teaser here. All right, so this module focuses on the importance of clearing emotions and doing the dirty work so we can really pave the way for abundance. So you can see on the right-hand side, there are two lessons here in this module. The first one here is doing the dirty work, and then I will also put the Q&A recording here so that when you go and we have the live meeting, if you're not able to attend the live meeting, you can still go back and listen to the recording. But doing the dirty work has this video. And as you can see, there is this module with this video has instructions, and then there are downloads, options to download things so you can start compiling all of these resources for you to have forever. So I have a flow chart for releasing trapped emotions, heart wall stuff, the emotion code chart, definitions of emotions, and then there's also a finger hand aspect chart that's really going to be helpful when muscle testing on the go. And so anyway, so that's all about muscle testing and doing that. The next week is going to be about clearing limiting beliefs. Number three, week three is leveling up, and then after that, it's just the floodgates open and we get to start tapping into shielding, and we get to start tapping into listening to angels and guidance that comes in and how to sort all of those so that it's true to you and congruent to what you know and value, connecting with angels, aligning priorities, the self-discovery. Okay, self-discovery is my favorite. A lot of people get really hung up on angels because that is super fantastic. My favorite is self-discovery and divine importance. That's when you get to tap into who you are, why you are here on this planet, what you are meant to do. Because once you find that out, heaven is behind you the whole way. You are on track. You're doing exactly what you need to do. And it's just fantastic to watch just all the doors open, all these beautiful things just happen for you in your life because you're on track. And watching angels come into your life and share things with you, it's all very powerful. So anyways, this is a long video, but thank you so much for watching. Please mark your calendar for every Tuesday afternoon, 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That is going to be every single week except for one, and I'll tell you what week that is going to be. So we are going to start on August 1st. All right, so that August 1st is a Thursday. We're going to start that, and we are going to go the first, as far as meeting weekly, the first, the 8th, the 15th, and then the 22nd, we are actually going to skip that. So it'll give you a little bit of a break. And that might be helpful for anyone getting back into the routine of school, just kind of a little breather there to catch up with things. And then we will resume on the 29th of August and so on and so forth until the 10th of October, when that will be our last live Q&A. So this is really exciting. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to be seeing you on a weekly basis, really diving into these things with you. And it's so, so fantastic. So if you have anybody who wants to do this program with you, definitely reach out to them, say, hey, you might be interested in this, and see what they say. I'm always happy to welcome in more people. All I ask is that you are respectful and that you show up either for the recordings or live, and that you do your part, because the more you put into this, really the more powerful experience you are going to have. This is phenomenal. I've seen so many people succeed. I have so many reviews of people who have had wonderful successes. Don't have time for all of those today, but hopefully soon I'll be able to share those with you. Take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you starting August 1st.